5 seconds. Start. This writ petition is filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, questioning the action of the respondents in issuing proceedings letter number 2623 dated 4/5/2021, thereby blocking the generation of temporary permits from the TP ID number 0311 held by the petitioner in survey number 141 to an extent of 0.73 hectares of Duvada village, Gazwaka Mandal, Prakasham district, Andhra Pradesh, without following a due process of law, and to consequently set aside the same, directing the respondents to suspend the operation of the proceedings. The case of the petitioner is that he has filed an application for grant of temporary permit for excavation of gravel for a quantity of 99,000 cubic meters over the above mentioned land. In turn, respondent number 7 had issued no objection certificate with RC number 19/2021 dated 8/1/2020, reporting that the village revenue officer, Mandal revenue inspector and Mandal surveyor have inquired into the matter and stated that as per the revenue records, the land in survey number 141 ad measuring an extent of acres 32.59 cents of the Vada village is classified as hillock, and out of the total extent in the said survey number, a part of the extent has been handed over to the PUDA for construction of houses under Houses to the Poor program. The Mandal surveyor has further reported that out of total extent of acres 32.53 cents in survey number 141, only an extent of acres 3.37 cents is feasible for sanction of temporary permit, and the remaining land is not feasible for permanent lease of quarry, and hence proposed for leveling the land for the purpose of house sites. The assistant geologist of respondent number 4 office inspected the temporary permit applied area and reported that the said area is a big hillock. The supervisor of respondent number 3 officer on deputation has surveyed the temporary permit applied area on 28/1/2021. After completion of survey by the supervisor of respondent number 3, the petitioner gave declaration agreeing to take rough stone and building stone mineral, duly paying royalty with other taxes besides following the condition laid in APMMC Rules 1966. Thereafter, While preparing temporary permit proposals, respondent number 4 informed that as per their office records, there is no query lease existing in the name of the petitioner in the office jurisdiction. No cases of illegal mining and quarrying were booked against the petitioner. Therefore, the question of producing clearance certificate from mineral revenue does not arise, and the applied area does not fall in any quarry lease applied area. The e-permit is valid for 60 days. Respondent number 3 office reported that as per orders of respondent number 4 and also complaint of respondent number 8, he verified the pending query lease applications in survey number 141 and came to know that query lease applications are pending for grant of query leases and also pending for NOC since 2013. Physical verification of the ground revealed that the available land is acres 8, which is feasible for quarry of gravel without disturbing the character of the hill. Subsequently, the respondents blocked the generation of temporary permits as there are certain prior applications pending since 2013 and 2016 for grant of leases. The TP was processed due to non-recognition of the applications, and as the office could not trace out the old files in time, the petitioner's TP application was processed. The Tahsildar Gazubaka informed in their NOC that the said land is not feasible for permanent lease quarry. The same is proposed for leveling the land for the purpose of house sites. The petitioner has taken dispatch permits for 13,782 cubic meters of gravel. All of a sudden, the respondents blocked the generation of temporary permits from TP ID number 0311 held by the petitioner for survey number 141 of Duvada village on 15/4/2021 through letter number 2623 dated 4/5/2021 without issuing any notice to the petitioner. Hence, the writ petition. Heard Sri G. Kanakarao, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Learned Government Pleader for Mines and Geology, appearing for respondent numbers 1 to 4 and Learned Government Pleader for Revenue, appearing for respondent numbers 5 to 7. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the respondents have blocked the generation of temporary permit from TP ID number 0311 held by the petitioner while letter number 2623, due to which the petitioner is getting huge loss and he invested huge amounts for mining. Learned government pleader for mines and geology submits that as the permanent permit holders objected, the official respondents have blocked temporary permits. However, he fairly concedes that no notice was issued to the petitioner. Taking into consideration the facts and circumstances of the case, the impugned proceedings are set aside. Accordingly, this writ petition is disposed of.